Making a quick video today on this cabinet drawer little wheel that you pull out. Like you can see this one, how broken it is, right? So that means this cabinet falls right off, and you don't want this thing to fall off. It'll freaking break your toes. Anyway, so I've purchased some from Amazon, which they're right here. I'm gonna be replacing them. Look what it comes with. It comes with everything you need. But my main concern, or the main part that I need, is this, and we're just gonna see if it slides in here or not. Ooh, kind of tight, but fits. So I'm actually gonna be installing it the other way. It's gonna be facing this way. Yep. So the screw's gonna go right in there. Yep. So we're gonna pull this one out and shove that one in, and it's literally. That's literally it. And you got a brand new sliding door. So any one of your drawers that are not sliding properly, that's making noises, whatever the issue is, that's what you got to do. Pull that off, put a new one. So I'm going to need a screwdriver to pry this out, because, yeah, it's in there. Okay, with my fly head, just going to shove it right under. And look at that. Comes right off. Throw it to the side. It's garbage. Pop in the new one and screw it in place. Okay, with the new one, make sure it lines up perfectly and you can see the hole. See the hole right there? That's it. Once you see the hole, just put the screw in there and screw it down. That's it. Now we put the drawer back in. See? Put it in, and now shove the whole drawer in. And it's got a little lock, so you got to snap it. Okay, so it passed through. Now it closes, and then we got the stopper. See? Now we got the stopper, so it doesn't come all the way forward and fall. Perfect. That's it, guys. I don't even need to use those other parts. The reason I don't need to use those other parts is because this is still good, but if yours are all damaged, you could replace with all those other parts. We have another drawer. This is the bottom drawer. Look how destroyed that is. Totally destroyed. So we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to pull out this screw and replace that. Got the old one out, and here's the new one right in there. Nice and flushed. Ugh. We're gonna check with the flashlight, make sure it's even, and then we can put the screw in. The new one has been screwed in. Now we just gotta put the drawer in place. So, drawer's all set. Look how nice and smooth, and it's got the stopper. That's it, guys. So this is the kit that you need in case you need to replace yours. My daughter's playing with the light.